Hey guys, welcome back. This is my 2012 G37X sedan. Just a few minutes ago I replaced the interior lights, the license plate lights, and the reverse lights for some nice white LED lights. I bought them off eBay for about $9. Alright, so let's take a look at them. So here it is, the white LED. I swapped out both doors. It's pretty easy, just pop off the cover and install the bulb. Pretty straightforward. I swapped out these two. The back two. And then these two mirror ones. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you guys the reverse lights and the plate lights. And then the last thing I did was I swapped out these bottom two fog lights to LED lights. They were yellow color before. Alright guys, thanks for watching and please subscribe below.